What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Small Cap Recap. Trader Bryce here in full effect, kind of. I actually, unfortunately, took the day off today because I had a pretty big loss on Monday, which is why I did not do a Small Cap Recap. I was just trying to take some time away, and even today, I just wasn't really ready to make a full comeback to the market, and we'll talk a little bit about that. But I do want to go over some really hot movers today. The market is like really back, and it's exciting. It's really exciting to have this market back. And so just kind of going over what to look for in the next coming days, go over, movers today and whatnot like we normally do. You know the drill. You all know the drill. So let's just dig right on into the charts here. I took a big loss on AERC on Monday, by the way. It was on this dump candle right here. And that just mentally threw me off. And then it reclaimed just fine. So it did suck. But that is where I took that loss, was that dump right there. AERC is beautiful. Third day surge out the wazoo. Hit a really clean break here, this trend break after hovering over VWAP. We opened under key support and instantly reclaimed, and this consolidation was pretty key here after that fake support break, after breaking under that 1230 level, and then reclaiming, and then obviously we had this supernova move. I mean, this was pretty key A+ third day surge move right here. This consolidation break was perfect. Third day surge in line after, again, just a couple days of really nice, tight consolidation. I mean, even more importantly, right, you had this, it doesn't get much better than that trend right there. Let's turn off extended hours so you can see that a bit better. I mean, that was great. It was great. But again, more importantly, you had this key consolidation break right in here, and after 16 broke, it was just kind of perfect. So anyhow, getting back to over here. Okay, yeah. Anyways, that key 16 break after a multi-day trend break, 2 days consolidation, just beautiful. Another daily chart I want to go over that's kind of interesting, doesn't have a lot of volume, but DRTF. Very unique here. There was some kind of pump on the 10th. And now we're just consolidating in a range. This wouldn't surprise me to see like 16 or something. We'll see. Or even at least like 15. Kind of testing this resistance area in here. But somebody keep an eye on if it gets volume. But again, very low volume right now. CMRA day twos are kind of back, right? Where we had a wild move yesterday. Really nice consolidation. That day two just swipe from the twos up into the fours. After just holding, again, pretty nice support level out of the gates. It formed a really clear support at 220. And then just started curling, did a little para walk through here, and eventually went supernova into the end of the day. I bet this has a third day surge tomorrow, so this is one to keep an eye on for tomorrow. Basically, through that four level is going to be key. So hopefully there's some consolidation before it. We'll see, but this is a very clear, clean watch to me for tomorrow for a third day surge after having a really strong day two. Hopefully it doesn't gap into it. It wouldn't surprise me to see it just gap up, if I'm being completely honest. But I don't know. This one does sketch me out a little bit for some reason. I just can't tell why, but like I said, keeping an eye on it for tomorrow. And then SIDU today, wild gap up this morning, low float stock. And I actually just did a full breakdown on why this worked so well. But, so if you're in small cap rockets, you'll see this full explanation. But basically just a clean power hour move here after a big gap, consolidate all day. This is one to watch for a day two tomorrow as well. Ideally, we get a dip and rip out of the gates kind of thing. That's how I would be looking for, like what I would be looking for out of this is just that, that day two dip and rip move. Really strong multi-day stock. And I mean, we're kind of over that key $4.50 level. So I would like to see that act as support if we can get a dip down to there. That would be the most ideal scenario. But again, beggars can't be choosers. So now let's talk about the SPY real quick. We're teetering. I would not be surprised to see more dumping, if I'm being honest, maybe into the 330s, 340s, but no real way to know. they're going to try to save it, of course, but you know, that was a pretty mean, gnarly drop. We're bound to have some consolidation, but I just wouldn't be surprised. We seem to be very uneasy. Gas is really drastically rising once again. It's a little scary, but it should be good for small caps. This has been great for small caps, actually, this really bad sell-off, because small caps already sold off so much. You know, I just don't really know. I'm not going to try to predict it. I'm just saying I would not be surprised to see more dumping, which should be great for small caps, though. I would not be surprised to see small caps hot for the remainder of the year, almost. Again, just keep an eye on it. If it just starts consolidating, that's fine too, but it probably won't be the best thing for small caps if it just went sideways. I would like to see a lot of volatility with the SPY. But, you know, for now, who knows? AERC, I don't know. I would like to see some more consolidation on it tomorrow for another third-day surge on Friday. DRTF, a weird watch, but something to keep an eye on if it gets some volume. CMRA for a third-day surge, of course, and SIDU for a dip and rip day 2. Those are what I'm looking at. Not to say any of those are perfect, but those are my top watches. Obviously, I'll move today, but my plans for them moving forward, guys. Just want to say thanks for watching. Like I said, I did get smoked on Monday, and so mentally I'm taking a little bit of a break, a little bit of a breather. I anticipate the market will continue to stay hot for a while. So, yeah, am I going to miss a few moves? Absolutely. But mentally, I need to do it. I need a little bit of a reset so I can go back to simple rules and trading kind of just the bread and butter stuff. So that's all I've got for today, guys. I know it's a little bit of a shorter recap, but those were the main movers. Those are my main watches. And like I said, that's what I'm going to be watching moving forward. So I just did a really nice in-depth webinar for the Steady Trade team, which will also be available for small cap rockets. So be sure to check those out. Link in the description below as always. Let me know how you have been trading in this market now that it's heating up a little bit. And let me know if you're watching any of the same stocks that I'm watching right now. I do read through these comments. And I want to see maybe what else you're watching. If you're watching the same thing, similar idea. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have post notifications on. You know the drill. Excuse me. Anyways, that's all I've got for today, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you back here on Friday, and hopefully you're trading well in this market. I know it's really hot, and I'm excited to see how long it lasts and what we can get out of it. So until Friday, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye. We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.